Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friend, today I want to show you how to fix Nokia 1 and Nokia 1 Plus, Nokia 2, Nokia 3, Nokia and 5. Same this problem, you are same time fix it. Here only just stuck is logo Nokia, not showing menus. How to fix this problem today I want to show you. You are remove it battery. See the model number. After that you are again press. You see power button and volume up button, same time press. And leave it power button. Oh sorry. After that you are use any charger. See there, I am putting charging. Without charging, no reset this phone. After then press both of them button. You see it's giving setting. After then press power button and volume up, doing like that. And after then you will come down and press power button and come down and press again power button. After then make it on. You see is 100% your job is done. Now see the is showing the menus. Now you want, I think so, Google ID. Want to check first. You want to know Google ID? Next video you are get it Google ID. And like and share videos. Also please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon, never miss any videos.